In today's video, you will learn how to do Shorts video in CapCut PC. Creating short-form content like YouTube Shorts is one of the most effective ways to grow an audience quickly, and CapCut provides all the essential tools needed to edit these videos in a simple and efficient way. Shorts are designed to be fast, engaging, and mobile-friendly, so the editing process focuses on vertical format, short duration, and clean visual presentation. To begin, import your media into the project by going to the Media section and dragging your video clips into the timeline. Once your footage is placed on the timeline, the next important step is adjusting the video format to match YouTube Shorts requirements. Shorts use a vertical aspect ratio, so you need to change the project layout accordingly. Below the video preview area, locate the aspect ratio option and select it. From there, choose the vertical format, which ensures your video fits properly on mobile screens without unwanted cropping or black bars. After applying the vertical format, select your video clip and adjust its size and positioning within the preview window. This allows you to center your subject and make sure the most important part of your video is clearly visible. You can also repeat this adjustment for each clip in your timeline to maintain consistency throughout your edit. Proper framing is important because Shorts rely heavily on visual clarity and quick engagement. Next, it is important to keep your video within the required duration. YouTube Shorts must be under 60 seconds, so you should review your timeline and make sure your content stays within this limit. If needed, trim or adjust clips to remove unnecessary parts while keeping the pacing smooth and engaging. Short videos work best when every second adds value, so removing pauses or filler content helps improve viewer retention. Once your edits are complete and everything is properly formatted, you can move on to exporting your project. Locate the export option at the top of the interface and prepare your video for rendering. This will generate a final version of your short video that is ready to be uploaded to YouTube or any other platform that supports vertical content. Before exporting, it is always a good idea to preview your entire video one last time to ensure everything looks clean, properly aligned, and within the correct duration. And that is how you do short video editing in CapCut PC using vertical formatting, timeline adjustments, and export settings to create engaging YouTube Shorts.